Blue screen error pointing to SrtTrail.txt is usually related to problems during Windows startup, where the system is unable to boot properly. This error typically indicates that Windows has entered the startup repair mode after encountering a critical issue. The file SrtTrail.txt is a log file generated during the automatic startup repair process, which can help diagnose the root cause of the failure. Here are some solutions for this error. Turn off your computer by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Turn on your computer, and as soon as the Windows logo appears, hold down the power button again to force a shutdown. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. On the third attempt, Windows will boot into the automatic repair screen. Click on Advanced option. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. Now type the following commands. Type boot-rec/fix-mbr and press Enter. Type bootsec/nt60sys/mbr and press Enter. Type boot-rec/fix-boot and press Enter. Type boot-rec/rebuild-bcd and press Enter. Type chkdsk/f/rc and press Enter. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Now wait for Windows to scan for errors. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to boot into Windows.